Good day, everybody. Jim Romick here from the Internal Roots Movement. Welcome back and thank you for joining us. Or me, whatever. Anyway, lately we've been playing with a lot of medicine ball stuff, from like planks and mountain climbers and e-rides and whatnot. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link of a couple of those in the description below. That way you can watch those and get familiar with those before you try this right here. We're gonna do the clinch plank like we did before, but we're gonna add some knees into it. So it's kind of like a clinch plank mountain climber, but it's gonna make contact and impact with the ball. It's gonna make it a whole lot more fun when you're hitting stuff too. Anyway, you'll see what I'm talking about in a second. So grab a med ball, grab a spot on the floor, a spot you can sweat on, like not carpet or nothing like that. And let's get cracking, shall we? For sure. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and get down onto our medicine ball. Forearms are parallel like they're on train tracks. Elbow squeezing in tight. We're gonna pull those hips forward towards the ball, so we're giving it with pride. And now let's go ahead and lock those knees out. Nice. Hold just for a sec. Since we've already done the other videos, you're familiar with this plank already. So let's hover your left side. Feel how that shifted? Your whole body shifted? Let's minimize that. There it goes. Now press your left side down, hover your right leg. Make the adjustments. There it is. Nice. So now let's hover your left leg and slowly pull your left knee up just a touch and kiss the ball. There it is. Just a gentle little kiss. Now push back through your left heel, hover the right, and let's kiss the right knee to the ball. Magnificent. Kick back through your right heel. Now hover your left and quickly pull up your left knee and push it back. Now switch. Hover the right, quickly pull up your right knee and push it back. Yes. So let's do a couple more of those. Hover your left, throw the knee. Nice. Hover your right, throw the knee. Two more on each side. Hover your left, throw the knee. Hover the right, throw the knee. One more each side. Hover the left, throw the knee. And hover the right, throw the knee. Bring those knees down. Slide it on back, and take a second, because you're done now. Well, I am. You can keep going as you want. Look at you, shaking, sweating, smiling. Looked like you had yourself a good old time right there, right? For sure. Ain't nothing more therapeutic and fun than burning your core and beating the crap out of something. Plus, you don't have to go to jail for beating the crap out of something, so even better. Anyway, I'm gonna put some more medicine ball video out. Medicine ball, there we go, I said it right. Medicine ball, wall ball, battle ball, whatever you wanna call it. I'm gonna be putting more of these drills out, individual drills with different levels. So later on, we'll tie these drills into a flow or into different routines. But for now, just get to know them very well and use them however the hell you wanna use them. Just make sure that you're listening to your body and not forcing anything. You allow the changes to happen and you're very mindful of what's going on. I know, talking about the whole mindfulness thing again. Jesus, this guy in mindfulness. I know, I'm sorry. I'll try to keep that to a minimum, but I won't because it's very important. Anyway, like, share, subscribe, click stuff, do whatever the hell you want. I'd appreciate it if you gave some love back. If not, no worries. Hopefully, we'll just see you next time. All right, you guys, take care. Talk to you soon.